You're watching a Wheels TV Top 200 video test drive on the 2009 BMW X5. The X5 SAV, or Sport Activity Vehicle as BMW calls its SUV, comes in 3 models for 2009 and has new nomenclature to classify them. Models are xDrive 30i, the diesel-powered xDrive 35D, and the xDrive 48i that we tested. As the naming suggests, all models benefit from BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive technology. The X5's front end is graced by the traditional BMW grille, with the angular body lines punctuated by boldly trimmed wheel arches and pronounced rocker panels. A split-opening rear tailgate with high spoiler and optional 20-inch alloy wheels round out the X5's performance persona. The xDrive 30i model is powered by a 3.0-liter inline-six that generates 260 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque. The xDrive 35D has a clean-burning diesel power plant that puts out 265 horsepower and 425 pound-feet of torque, while our xDrive 48i test model is powered by a 4.8-liter V8 generating 350 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent through a 6-speed automatic transmission to BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive. Fuel economy for the X5 ranges from 15 miles per gallon city with the V8 up to 26 miles per gallon highway with the diesel straight 6. The interior is nicely fitted in leather with wood trim and features multiple power accessories from 20-way multifunction ventilated front seats to the tilt telescoping steering wheel and panoramic 2-panel tilt sliding moonroof. Second-row passengers are provided with a fold-down center armrest. 2 fold-down third-row seats make room for up to 7 passengers or 5 with ample storage. Information and entertainment systems include premium multi-speaker audio and a DVD-based voice-activated navigation system with real-time traffic information and rear-view camera. Dual-stage airbags are provided as are front and rear compartment head protection technology with front-side impact airbags. Base MSRP for the 2009 BMW X5 is $47,500. A fully loaded xDrive 48i model can cost as much as $80,000. The X5 is backed by a 4-year, 50,000-mile powertrain warranty. If you're on the market for a luxury all-wheel drive midsize SUV, you could not go wrong with the 2009 BMW X5.